Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about my new BoxyCharm boxes. Woo! So I just started getting these subscriptions like a month ago, so I actually have the September one and I have the October one. So let's get started. It's quite a bit bigger, I think, because it was my first one. And let's open it up. Let's see what it has. First item is this Dr. Brandt Recovery Sleep Mask, Hank & Henry Liquid Eyeliner, a $1 Billion Brows Brow Pen. This is the Becca Hydra Mist Set Powder, the Moda 5-piece eye kit right here. And last but not least, we have the Tarte Clay Play right here. I'm really excited about this one right here, can you tell? Okay, now let's go into the October one. So the October one came with the Dose of Colors Baked Browns right here. This palette right here, which is actually marketed for $32. Then came with the Luna eyeliner right here in the color Asteroid, and that retails for $16. Next we have the iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss right here, and that is retailed for $26. Next is the Elemis Superfood Veggie Mask right here, and that retails for $35. And last but not least, we have the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm right here, and that retails for $32. So the sleep mask and the veggie mask and the glassy skin balm right here, I'm probably not going to use today. Probably just use it in my skincare routine, but if you want to know how those products work, just let me know. And yeah, let's get started. So right now I already have a tinted moisturizer on with blush and bronzer and nothing else, so and some lip gloss, but that's about it. So can't wait to try. Which one should I do? So here's the Tarte Clay Play mask right here. So pretty. And next we have the Dose of Colors Baked Browns right here, and it comes with a little brush. So I think I'm going to do the Baked Browns palette today. And if you guys want to see a look using the Tarte Clay Play palette right here, just let me know in the comments down below. And I'm going to use the Moda eye brushes that I got today. I'm going to start off with this fluffy blending brush right here. I really like, I don't know if you can see the texture. There it is, like the texture on the brush. I don't know, I like those kind of things. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Deserted. And then I'm just going to take the color Cherry Wood right here and put that just all over the lid. I think I'm just going to do a two color eye look today, and I'm gonna do that using this shader brush right here. I'm gonna go back in with the blending brush, and I'm gonna use the same color we used earlier, the Deserted color, and just blend out the edges. This has a lot of pigment in it. I love it. So before I do my under eyes, I'm gonna use the Becca Hydra Mist. Becca Hydra Mist set powder right here. Looks like this. I'm gonna do that using my beauty blender right here. I don't want a lot, I just want a little bit to kind of smooth out this area right here because I have large pores right in there, so I just want to make them look smaller. Now I'm going to go back and finish the under eyes real quick. I'm going to use this detail brush right here and go in with the transition shade that we used earlier. Oh, the sun is blinding me. Next, I'm going to use the smudger brush right here and go in with the shade we used all over the lid. Cute! I'm going to use the Blickety Black eyeliner right here. So I just put on the eyeliner. I just did a little line on the top. Nothing too serious, nothing too dramatic. Now I'm going to go in with the brow pen right here. Can you see? It's like... Okay. Not bad. It has a very natural look to it, so it's not going to look like you just did your eyebrows. It looks very wispy, like your actual eyebrow hair. So it has a very natural look to it, which I don't mind. So now I'm just going to slap on some mascara and just finish the look real quick, and I'll be right back. And last but not least, I'm going to try the plumping lip gloss right here. It definitely has a tingling sensation, but it's not too bad. Like, it's not to the point where your lips feel like they're going to fall off, so that's nice. But yeah, overall I really liked how the brushes felt. They were super soft, and I liked the detailing on the end right here. I liked how pigmented this palette was right here. And for the brow product, I probably wouldn't do that for this look because it's kind of a bold eye, so I'd want to make sure my eyebrows match that. But if I'm going for a more natural look that day, then I would definitely love to use this right here. And as for the lip gloss, I really like how, like, it has enough color, but it's also not, you know, invisible, and it feels really good and fresh on my lips, so I like that. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. Let me know if you want me to continue to do these videos. Let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys want to know how I like these skincare products right here, just let me know in the comments down below, or tell me on my Instagram at Italia Dutton. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!